Welcome to Sacred Resilience. I am your host, Kristi Lynn. Thank you for being here today. This podcast is a space where we explore the strength it takes to heal after trauma and the sacred ways we find our way back to ourselves. Today's episode is about regathering, the tender, powerful work of calling ourselves back home after being scattered by pain, loss, or abuse. And since we are in the season of Rosh Hashanah, the Jewish New Year, this theme of regathering feels especially alive to me. Rosh Hashanah is a time of reflection, renewal, and returning, a season when many gather with family, community, and faith. But it's also deeply personal. It's about returning to the essence of who we are and realigning with the life we are meant to live. Trauma often leaves us fragmented. Pieces of ourselves get lost, our voice, our trust, our joy. Sometimes we even lose the ability to recognize who we are without the weight of the pain we've endured. The healing journey is not about becoming someone new. It's about regathering the scattered pieces of who we already are, who we've always been. When I think about Rosh Hashanah, I think about the act of gathering together, gathering in prayer, gathering in reflection, gathering with intention for the year ahead. But there's also the regathering of self, pulling back the fragments of our story, holding them with compassion, and saying, "You belong. You are still part of me." Regathering means welcoming back the parts of ourselves we pushed away because they felt too broken. Reclaiming the dreams we buried because someone convinced us we weren't enough. And embracing the voice within us that says, "I'm worthy of a new beginning." And maybe that's the real gift. The reminder that we are allowed to start again. Every year, every day, every breath. I know from my own journey that regathering doesn't happen in a single moment. It's not a dramatic event. It's a slow, steady return. Some days it looks like journaling. Some days it's allowing yourself to cry without shame. Other days it's choosing silence, rest, or prayer. Regathering is not about perfection. It's about presence. Just as the ram's horn is sounded on Rosh Hashanah to awaken the soul, we each have moments when something inside us stirs and calls us back to life. So if you're listening right now and you feel scattered, I want you to hear this. You are not too far gone. You are not too broken. Every part of you is worthy of being regathered, cherished, and brought back home. This season, may you hear your own inner shofar. May you gather what was once scattered. And may you step into this new year, this new moment, with the resilience that has always lived within you. Until next time, Shana Tova, and be gentle with yourself.